Hello everyone! I hope you are having a blessed day. So we will be continuing our tutorial in which we will follow how to do the third row and up of the star stitch pattern. Okay, I would like you to look at the difference between these two star stitch pattern. So the separation here of the first floral pattern and the second floral pattern, meaning the first and second row and the third and fourth row over here, is evident compared to the separation over here. What is the difference, or how did I create the difference? Okay, I'll be showing you by creating the third row. Okay, to begin the third row, you have to chain 2, then turn your work around. Okay, on the first stitch over here, you will be doing a double crochet. Now, I have double crochet. Now, if you want to do or follow this pattern in which there is no separation between those, there's no separation between the second and the third row, you will be doing your half double crochet for the whole stitch over here. Okay, there. But if you want to follow this one, in which the separation is evident, we will be doing a ribbed star stitch pattern, in which, see this part, if you will be looking at the top view of your floral pattern or of your stitches, you have the upper and the bottom stitch, this one and this one, upper, bottom. Okay, we will be doing the half double crochet only on the upper stitch. Okay, then we already have one over here. Again, do 5 loops before joining them together. 2 by only following or doing the loop on the upper stitch. 3, 4, and then 5, then join them together. See? You can already see this detailed pattern over here. Okay, that is not what this is not what you're gonna see. Okay, you'll be seeing this if you did, for example, the pattern, if you did the full stitch loop, 1, 3, 4, 5, join together. Okay, see the difference between this and this pattern? So it's up to you on what design you're gonna follow. Okay, since I'm gonna be duplicating this pattern, I'll be doing the rib stitch.